Okay, this video is just about the flint wheel and how to replace it. You know, you could have a worn flint wheel, or somebody could have put it in upside down, but we can tell from just looking at it if it's been put in right. If you notice how them lines are angled down towards the flint, that's because it's in correctly. If it was in wrong, if it's put in upside down, them lines would be angled upwards. So you can tell straight away. And you can change this flint wheel by taking this screw off and taking all this off and replacing it like that. But there's an easier way than that. I'll just talk about that screw. You see how that screw's moving? That's a reverse thread screw. So you need to turn it clockwise to remove it. But that screw needs to lock in place, because if you screwed it down, this wheel won't turn. So you need to get it as close to that flint housing as possible and use some thread lock. You don't need the strong one. You can use this stuff, the blue one, just so that wheel turns and that screw turns with it. So there's a lot to deal with taking it apart from the top. You've got that screw, you've got that spring underneath here. You've got two springs in here. Then you've got to hold this back while you're trying to get it all back together. So you're better off taking this out. And then what you can do is you can unscrew that screw, hold this together, keep this together because this could spring apart. Hold that together, and then you can pull this bar out, slot in your new flint wheel, and then push that bar back in again, and then screw it back together. And then you don't have to deal with all this. There's a lot going on with all this, and it's hard to do it that way. So if you're just changing the flint wheel, do it this way, hold it together, unscrew it, and just slot it in. I'm going to do another video on changing the flint housing, but that's the easiest way to change it. Okay.